Hello everyone, warm welcome back to the channel. YAJE here, excited to share another gardening video with you. So today I just wanted to show you an update of my sunken container garden that I have here, and this is a requested video. One of you wanted to see how my sunken container garden is doing. If you do not know what a sunken container garden is, it's just you take a container, cut the bottom, rip off the bottom of the container, preferably a plastic container, and then dig up the earth and bury a part of the container in the earth, fill it up with potting soil mix, and then you plant whatever that you want to plant with it. This type of gardening technique is perfect where you have a space that the soil there is not very good, so you can make your own soil, that potting mix soil, and control the quality and the nutrients of the soil that way. Another reason why this type of gardening technique is great is because whatever that you plant in there, the roots of that plant is not limited. It's because you have cut the bottom and it is now buried in the earth, so the roots can go and spread like down there, if you know what I mean. So it's not the same as container gardening where you probably have to water, because if you don't water that often, the plants will die because the roots don't have where to go to look for water. I hope I'm making sense. So yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update and then show you how the garden, the sunken container garden, is doing. Guys, if this video makes any sense to you, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have questions, anything you need clarity about, drop them in the comment section below. All right, thank you. All right, so this is what we have. I have added everything and mixed into the soil, and these are my pepper plants that I'm going to plant, bell peppers. Okay, as you can see, I did not fill up the container all the way to the top. We want to plant at soil level like this. I'm going to show you how. So what I will do is I'm going to take this out of the container, and then I will put it here and fill up the rest of the space with soil. Let me show you how. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray. So that's the container garden. As you can see, I have all of these plastic containers buried in the earth in this space right here. Okay, so what I did was I planted peppers, bell peppers, in my container garden, and as you can see, they are doing well. The bell peppers are doing well. I also have, let's see, thyme down there, and I have, what else? I have this vegetable here. This one is known as the African basil or holy basil or scent leaf. I think it's looking relatively okay. Yeah, so the peppers that are here are doing fine. See, they are blooming, producing fruit.